Hey guys, we're gonna take a look at this message that you might get. So what does this mean? This means that you have to install this Rosetta in order for some programs to work. M1, M2, and 3 computer. And it's not the same thing as Intel. But Intel things can work on it. You just have to install that. So we're gonna go ahead and install right now. Just install software. It's gonna validate, install, and then there you go. Right now you can run any programs that are for Intel-based computers, which there's a lot of Mac programs out there. And there's other ones that you can download the correct version of the program, which would be best for your Mac, obviously, but they're gonna work regardless. So next time you try to open up the program, it should work just fine as long as you follow this tutorial. So right now we're gonna give it access and we are done. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.